Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I thought I would share with you my New York Loft Christmas night tour. When I filmed the video the other day, the lighting is so bad, so I thought I would share with you how it looks at night. And oh my gosh, guys, it is so magical. I just absolutely love it, and I wanted to share this room with you. So I hope you enjoy my Christmas night tour. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And with that, my friends, let's enjoy.